Alright, we're going to talk about area and perimeter of triangles. Really, we're going to focus on area because perimeter, just like perimeter of anything, you just add up all the sides. So we're really going to focus on the area. So your formula for area of a triangle, area equals either 1/2 base times height or area equals base times height divided by 2. Dividing something by 2 or finding half of something is the same exact thing. So it really doesn't matter which one you do. I'm going to show you both. So we have area equals 1/2 4 times 3 or area equals 4 times 3 divided by 2. Now, the thing with the base and height of a triangle, always have to meet at a 90-degree angle. So that 5 is not used because it's not part of a 90-degree angle. So let's work these out. So area equals half of 4 would be 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's give these units. So let's say they're millimeters. So that would be 6 millimeters squared. So if I use the other formula, I do 4 times 3, which is 12, divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So that would be 6 millimeters squared. I got the same answer, which I should, because either formula works the same. We'll get you the same answer. Alright, so let's do another one. We got triangle here, so area equals 1/2 base times height, or area equals base times height divided by 2. So again, our base and height always have to meet at a 90-degree angle. Well, the only 90-degree angle in this is formed by that dashed line right there. So our base is 12 5/10 and our height is 5. So we're going to do area equals 1/2 12 5/10 times 5, or area equals 12 5/10 times 5 divided by 2. So the first one, we could do area equals half of 12 is 6. Half of 5/10 would be 25 hundredths times 5. And area equals 5 times 5 is 25. 10, 12, carry the 1, 31. So that would be 31 and 25 hundredths. And we didn't give this units, so let's give it some units. Let's call them all inches. So that would be 31 and 2500 inches squared. So if we use the other one, let me change colors just to make it a little easier. So area equals 12.5 times 5. So that would be 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. That would be 10, 12. Carry the 1, 6. So that would be 62 and 5/10 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 5 twice, and there'd be 1 left over, so 2 goes into 10 5 times. So it would be 31 and 25 hundredths inches squared. So I got the same answer, just depends how you want to do it. You can do half first, or you can multiply and then divide by 2. Alright, so now we're given that the area of a triangle is 67 and 5/10 centimeters squared, and the base is 15. So we've got to put those numbers into our formula to find what our height is. So again, you can use either formula. So I'm going to start with base times height divided by 2. I'm going to put the numbers I know. So I know my area is 67 and 5/10. I know my base is 15. So I have 67 5/10 equals 15 times h divided by 2. First thing I need to do is get rid of the divide by 2, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I get 15h equals 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 14 plus 1 is 15, carry the 1, that would be 12, 13. So it would be 135 equals 15h. So then I divide by 15, divide by 15. And that should go in 9 times. Yeah, 9 times 15 is 135. So my height would equal 15 or I'm sorry, 9 centimeters. I divided by 15. Goes in 9 times. Alright, so if we did the other formula, let's see that. So area equals 1/2 base times height. So here, my area is 67 5/10, which equals 1/2 15 times h. So half of 15 would be 7 5/10. So I get 67 5/10 equals 7 5/10 times h. So I'm going to divide by 7 5/10. That one I can't do in my head, so I'm going to pull that off to the side. Move the decimal over once. So 75 won't go into 67, but it's pretty close, so I think it's 9. So 9 times 5 is 45, carry the 4. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 4 is 67. So nothing left over, so it is 9. So my height equals 9 centimeters either way. So it just depends which formula you want to use. Either one's going to get you the right answer. You just need to make sure you're using one of them.